Let's solve linked list problem today. Uh, in a linked list of size n, where n is even and is node of linked is known as twin of the n minus 1 node, when if I between n divided by 2 minus 1. Between 0, okay, for example, if n node 0 is twin node is 3. Oh, okay. And 1 is node 2, the nodes twins undefined as sum, given that we will return the maximum sum of the linked list. No constraints, even integer, number of nodes, even integer. Okay. Yeah, so what we can do, we can um, so we can iterate a linked list until we reach a middle node, and then put all values into a stack. And 3 is we after middle we compare we pop from the stack and compare with current value. Well, not compare, but we add and add to current value, and we have a max value defined on top. Let's say can it be -1? Yeah, from 1 max will be -1, and we assign max to stack plus current element, right? Stack value, and at the end we return max because we need to return max twin sum. Okay, space complexity ON, space complexity ON, time complexity ON, very good to go. Can we do without stack? Yeah, it requires to go backwards after middle, so we can have two pointer, or we can split list. So this is the first solution A. We have ON time ON space. Solution B, we without stack, more interesting. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the middle, split stack into split list, sorry. Split list into then reverse first part and iterate second and first part and calculate max. Yeah, so this solution will be O(n) time, but O1 space, because we are not be creating extra stack to do the thing. So yeah, let's go and implement solution B. For that, for finding middle, we have to create fast pointer and slow pointer. Iterate next slow pointer equals slow pointer next. Next. So in this case, we have 4 slow pointing on 4, slow pointing on 2. We probably have to have a previous pointer, so we point on this 4. Let's say previous to none, and before reassigning slow, we assign previous to slow. So previous will be, we need to split it, reverse it. So slow, then we iterate while slow, we iterate to the end, but we also, and we, what we're gonna do, we gonna here we need to implement step 2, reverse for first parts. So to split, we just assign previous to next will be none, and here we reversing first part. So we assign head to head, while so we start from reversing will be, we assign in some temporary variable. Here we assign temporary variable what head is pointing to next, then we head next, we assign, oh, it must be none. Let's say this is current. Current is pointing to head, temporary will be none, and we need to have track of previous also none. So head next will be head next will be previous. Wait, no. Current next will be current next will be previous, and previous will be temporary. Right? So yeah, I'm not sure about reversing the same. Yeah, let's do this example. Run through this example. So we have 5 pointing to 4, pointing to 2, pointing to 1. And here we have current, right? Then previous will be none. So we have 5 pointing to none, right? Then temporary will be on a 4. And previous which will be yes, there is something wrong with this reversing. I forgot how to reverse list. So we have current here, we have temporary here. So we point count current to head. We assign it to previous. And we assign temporary to next. Then we should assign previous equal current. Current equal temporary. So current previous become whatever is in current. Current become temporary, and temporary is temporary. Then on next iteration, we assign current next to temporary. So this becomes this. We assign current next to previous, which is this. And we move previous to the current. We move current to temporary. And on the next iteration, we move temporary to next. Yes, so the reversing should work, and the result of the reversing is that current will be pointing to the reverse array. So while and current will be current next, here we calculate Mx as maximum value between slow and current plus current value and x, and we return x. So no attribute next. I think it should be while f and f next. While slow. Yeah, so there could be a problem with synchronization. So let's print before proceeding. Let's print current value and slope value because I'm not sure where they are ending. So oh, I think I have to reassign after reversing everything from the beginning. We need to take previous, not the current, because current will be, I think it's previous. So it's 4 and 2, which is perfect. Oh yeah, previous and slow one. Non-type. Oh, previous. Previous next. Yep. All right, it's only 39, but uh, we have opportunities to practice splitting this linked list into reversing linked list and then traversing both parts and comparing both parts. I think it's a good opportunity to practice it. But yeah, probably people solve it faster. Oh, stack. Yeah, stack will be faster, but we're paying space for time. But yeah, I really like it. It's like 3 operations in one. And yeah, thank you for watching.